Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. If you're new, welcome. My name is Shalise. I'm a mother and a wife, and I manage our family's portfolio, our stocks, and all of that good stuff. So if you want some inspiration, be sure to follow the channel. I am not a financial advisor or fiduciary. You can consider consulting a professional. Just make sure you do your research, and whatever you do, make sure that it's the plan that you want for your financial future. So today we're going to be doing an invest with me. I love these videos because it allows you guys, if you're new, to see what I'm clicking on and all of that. Now this specific portfolio is for dividends only. So I've had this Robinhood account since September of 2020. I've been showing it on the channel for almost 3 years, and we've just been slowly building up. We have $151.23 that's available for us to invest. I invested the majority of the money, but I wanted to keep some money in here so that you can see that you don't need a whole lot of money to invest. So if you have $100 left at the end of the month or at the beginning of the month, you can use that to invest. So let's continue on. Okay, so the past day, you can see our portfolio. Let me move my face up. Past day, we're down $225. Past week, we are down $328. About. Past month, we are up about $1,635. Past 3 months, we are up about let's just round up and say $2,500. Year to date, we're up about $2,064. Let me move my face so you can see the whole chart. Past year, we're up about 2.80%, and then and you can see, like I said, we started this account in September or August of 2020, and we're up about 19.63%, or about 20% or so, which is not bad. So one of my strategies when I am buying stocks and all of that, especially when it comes to dividends, is to try to buy dividends that are going to be paying out in the following month. So there's ex-dividend dates and all of that that you have to be considerate of. And so that's why I'm always trying to invest in dividend stocks and funds that are paying out in the month after my present month. So right now it's August. So today I'm going to be putting money in stocks that will pay out in September. Okay. So I'm going to put some money here in BP. This is British Petroleum. Really do like this. Move my face down. And we're going to buy in dollars again because I have, you see it right here, $151.23. I'm going to buy in dollars here. And I'm going to put $25 because I want to show you guys that you can invest with something called fractional shares. So essentially what fractional shares means is that instead of buying a whole share of a stock or an ETF, you can buy a piece of it, and your pieces will eventually build up into a whole share. The great thing about fractional shares as well is that dividends also pay out on fractional shares. So let's say you have 0.05 of British Petroleum, you will receive the equivalent in a dividend payment, which again, I think is pretty cool. So we're going to put $25 into British Petroleum. That's about 0.68 shares. I'm going to click review order. And I'm going to click buy. Order was placed and purchase. And let's go back to the beginning of the page. Excuse me, guys. I'm just trying to get my bearings here. Moving the screen up so you can see. Next, we're going to do, and I am going to film a separate Robinhood portfolio update so you can see how many shares we have of each once we finish, doing all the buying and stuff. So don't worry. I will do a separate portfolio, update. So don't worry, that'll be a separate video. So we have $126.23 left. I definitely want to get some more realty income. I'm going to also invest in dollars with this, and I'm actually going to put $65. Actually, no, I want to put, let's do $50. That's 0.84 shares because I want to build up ET that pays out. Okay, so this is interesting. So here on Robinhood, so I am trading after hours or buying stocks after hours. It is currently 6:04 p.m. I'm on the East Coast. The stock market doesn't officially close until 8 p.m. Eastern. So I'm going to go ahead and just instead get a whole share. So I'm going to switch to whole shares. And I'm just going to buy one, $59, which is not too far off from $50 anyway. Buy, order placed, and it should say order purchase, okay? I'm going to go back to the main screen. We have $64.28. I'm going to scroll down to, let's say, ET right here. And I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put in terms of shares, I'm going to buy, let me see, I think I can get 3 shares. I have $67 left. Okay. That's at least 3 shares we can get. And again, guys, it's about building up your portfolios. And I'm doing this so that you can see every small amount you add. And you may think, oh my goodness, this is not enough. I'm not able to invest $500, $5,000. And you see all these big deposits. But a lot of us started with small deposits. And let me know down below in the description box, when you first started to invest, whether it was the 401k, whether it was through Robinhood or through the Share app or through Moomoo, let me know how much you started out with so that we can encourage our other investy besties that, you know what, you don't have to have a whole lot of money. When we first started to invest 9 years ago now, we started with the 401k and we started with 100 and then slowly did like $200, $250. That was like our sweet range. Why? Because we were trying to pay off a whole lot of debt. So you start where you can. A lot of people don't believe that you can actually put $25 in a retirement account, $50, $100. I think we think in our minds that it has to be these large astronomical numbers, and it doesn't. That's why I love fractional shares as well. So if you have like $10 left over, put $10 into an index fund or into an ETF or into a stock or whatever. Small amounts add up. So I just wanted to share that. So I'm going to click done, click this little feather, and we have $28.53. I also wanted to point out that I do not invest with margin here on Robinhood. I do have that ability, but I want to just make sure that anything we have invested here is our actual money. I've mentioned many, many times before that investing is serious to us, and we want to make sure that, you know, anything that we have in the markets is 100% ours. Okay, so we have $28.53. I want to put some into, let's see, Maine. Oh, right here, Maine, which is 103.95, I think that was. But I'll have, like I said, a portfolio update with Robinhood that I'll film probably, you know, right after I'm finished filming this. I'm not sure if it'll post after this, but I will film it right after this. So I'm going to get, I can't buy in shares with this. I have to buy in dollars. So I'm thinking of putting $15 here. That'll buy me 0.34 shares. We're going to review order. Okay, so apparently with Robinhood, when you're doing extended hours, and this is actually a really good insight for me as well, when you are buying stocks during extended hours. So remember, the stock market is officially open from 9:30 a.m. Eastern until 4 p.m. Eastern. But there is something called pre-market, which is from 4 a.m. Eastern. Yes, people do actually get up at 4 o'clock in the morning to trade and buy stocks on the stock market. And then the latest you can actually do it is 8 p.m. So after hours or extended traded hours, you can do that. So because I don't have enough money, you can see a whole share is $43. I have $28.53. I'm going to save this for another time, and I'll transfer money and put money into this to Main Street off camera. But I just wanted you to see, because I didn't know that with Robinhood. I thought you could just invest. Interactive brokers, I can actually buy whole shares, fractional shares, and all that. So it's really interesting when you have the different platforms. But we're going to come down. And let's see if I can get this into Stag, but probably not. You know what? QILD. Because QILD, our share size goal is 300. We have 274. So we're like almost there. So I'm going to put 1. I don't think I have enough for 2. No, they're going to tell me 1. Let me change this to dollars. And let's just see. We're not going to edit it out. We're going to see if we can do it. If not, I will go ahead and do it in shares. Oh, it looked like it's letting me do it. Order placed and order partial fill, and now order is purchased. So I was able to actually use up every single cent that I had available, and I put it in QILD, which also pays every month. And we should get 2 payouts in the month of August, which is, I think, pretty superb. So look, we have no money left when it comes to all of our investing for today. So again, just be motivated if you have small chunks of money. If you have a large chunk of money, you want to just be consistent with your investing. You see the market is down today. We're down $224.99. Again, in the grand scheme of things, that is not a whole lot of money. So every time you see dips and red markets and all of that, that is a great opportunity to buy. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you do any type of research and studying up on investing, you always buy when the market is red because you're getting assets on sale. If you want to open up a Robinhood account, my referral link is down below. You'll get free stock. I get free stock. It's a great way to support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. And it's a great way to have like different portfolios because I have a ton of them. You should always have more than one portfolio platform that you use in case something happens. But I really have been enjoying Robinhood. I enjoy all of the investing apps that we have. But again, yes, so that is the video, y'all. Let me know what you're focused on for this month. Again, please make sure you like, share, and comment. Be sure to subscribe. It helps the algorithm and it helps to grow the channel, and I do appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.